Good morning everyone, this is Jackie from Lambton Skin Clinic. I wanted to just pop you a quick video this morning. It's going to be a very short and concise video. I just wanted to go into the art of contouring. So I'm just going to apply my foundation and then my contour so that you can see exactly where it goes and what it looks like once it's blended. So today I'm going to start with this Essence 16-hour foundation. And I'm just going to wet my blending brush with my fixing spray, wet it so that it blends nicely. Then I'm putting a little bit of this foundation on my wrist and I'm going to start dabbing it into the face. I first make tiny little blobs everywhere so that it's evenly distributed. I'm quickly doing this video before I go to work at the clinic today. And I thought it's an ideal day just to do a very short video on contouring, perhaps contouring and then blusher and bronzer. So just the basics before you start your eyes. It seems like quite a nice color of foundation. It's number 10 and it seems like it blends nicely with my winter skin on my face. During summer I might go to the Moisture Macy foundation, which is a little bit darker, but because I'm pale and haven't been in the sun, this looks like quite a nice color for me. Don't forget to also put foundation over your eyelids as almost a primer. If you don't use an eye primer, then foundation works beautifully. So all I'm going to do now is put on my loose banana powder after my foundation, just to set the foundation in place. Then I'm going to do the contouring. I'm going to use the SheGlam contour stick. I'll show you now. Right. Don't forget to also put foundation underneath here so that it blends seamlessly with your neck. Otherwise you get that line between your face and your neck. Okay, I'm using the Revolution banana powder. I'm going to put it on quite sparingly because I do want more of a matte look today. I don't like getting a shine on my face. And I'm just going to also prime my lids with a bit of powder. There we go. Banana powder done. I'm now going to work with the SheGlam contouring stick like this. You'll see it's in quite a sort of warm brown. And now I'm going to apply exactly where your contour should go for your daily wear. So it's just from the corner of your ear down. Thin the nose a little bit so it's along the bridge of the nose like that, underneath here, a little bit up here, there we go, and then of course along your jawbone like that. And that's kind of the look that you're going for with the contour. I then use my contouring brush and I will, before it gets too dry, because you don't want that line to really set, I'm going to dab it in place and try and just get it all. I've probably taken a little bit too long. If you want, you can do these, you can blend straight away once you've done your contouring stripes, because already my stripes have started to set. Just keep working it in. If you find it's dried a little bit like mine has, you can put a touch of foundation onto your brush just to blend it in a little bit so that you don't have those lines. That looks better. I'm going to do the same on this side. Just a tiny bit of foundation on my blending brush. Can you see the contouring starting to work? It slims the nose, creates a nice jawline. Just want to soften it slightly. It's a little bit strong for day wear, but there you can see a definite line along my jaw. I'm going to do my forehead next. And then I'm going to just right, there's the final product of the contouring. So you can see sort of shadows on the face, which is going to just slim and define the features. From contouring, I'm then going to move on to my bronzer. I like the Palladio baked bronzer, and I'm just going to use a tiny bit where generally the sun would catch you. You don't need to use contour and bronzer. I just feel that I'm very pale at the moment, so it gives just a little bit of color. Okay, now I'm just going to move on to my blusher, and then I'm going to stop the video so that I've given you an example of contour, bronzer and blush. Right, so I use this top peachy color, and it goes just above my contour and my bronzer, and then flicks out to the corner of the face. I will give a photo at the end once my full makeup is done. Right, that looks nice. If you have a look, you can see my shadow specifically on the darker side of my face here, and you can see the contouring up here. And then I'm just going to put, before I log off with you guys, I'm just going to show you where highlighter goes. I use this brush for highlighter, and I just really thin it. I'm actually going to use liquid highlighter today, and it's called All Over Glow Tint. It's a very nice color, so I'm going to go, oops, that's quite a lot, so I'm going to spread that out around the face. I'll just take some of that off, and that goes here on your Cupid's bow. That's going to go a little bit across your cheekbones here, high up, and then down the bridge of the nose. I might just have to contour ever so slightly afterwards just to blend it in nicely, but that gives you such a nice glowy look. There we go. Right, that's the end of my tutorial today. Sorry, lips and eyes are not done, but you've got loads of videos that you can refer back to on eyes and lips. That's just on contouring and the basics, contouring, bronzer, blush, and a bit of highlighter. I'm even tending to put a little bit of powder on just to set that glow in place. And that is it. Okay, have a great day, and then I will chat to you on my next video. Bye.